What? You guys came back? Man, with diligence like that, you're on your way to becoming a YouTuber. This is Big E from Texas. I just want to say welcome to How to Become a Successful YouTuber Part 2. Alright, so by now, we've watched Part 1. We've made an awesome camera mount. We've mounted the camera. We've shot some awesome footage. We're feeling super stoked about our newfound YouTube stardom. But our job's not over. We got to tweak it. We got to make it our own. If you're me, you got to turn the camera right and give your bro Florida props. You got to get subscribers and likers. And this is in a world that nobody likes nothing. But for me, what I'm doing right now is for the next 500,000 people, I'm offering free subscriptions. All you got to do is click right there to subscribe. Click right there to like. And you could be number 8 on my subscription list. Yes, sir, I said 8. That's ground floor. Out here at the homestead, we love to repurpose old junk. It's all we do. That's what we're going to be doing all over the property. We'll be out at the chicken house. We'll be on the back 40. You don't want to miss it. It's going to be a channel full of scrap magic, such as this right here. I fancy myself a little artist. This is an owl that I made for my daughter. Her name is Allie. She's an owl. Or maybe that's more your style. It's inspired by my wife. She wanted a praying soldier. It's primarily a pair of vice grips. If you look at his boots here, it's actually the jaws off the vice grips. This right here, his waistband, is actually a 3/8 drive. If you look right here on his kneecap, it's a 44 Magnum. His head is a lug off my old Chevy. So anyway, we're going to do a ton of that stuff. We're going to give you some awesome life hacks. And we'll leave you with a life hack today. What is the absolute worst thing to try to store in your garage? Yes, sir, you in the back. It is fishing poles. The line gets all tangled up. You walk past it. The hook snags your blue jeans. Maybe it pops your kid's tire. Daddy, fix my tire. Forget all that. I want you to go out back, get yourself a pool noodle. You're going to grab that pool noodle and you're going to cut it directly in half. Then you're going to make some slices in it, equal slices, 10 of them on each pool noodle. You're going to grab 4 screws, aka tornillos. You're going to get you a 3/8 drill. And you're going to go find the perfect spot in your garage. And you just screw it to the wall. And 10 fishing poles later, you're welcome, fellas. And have a nice day.